give this a good tidy up. Just going into the fridge, the freezer. Will be another time. Let's get started. Done that, I finished cleaning the fridge. Just making myself something to eat. I don't know if you'd like a clean with me video. How often do you clean your fridge? I'll try and kind of wipe it at least once a week, but actually really cleaning it, decluttering it, getting rid of stuff that's no longer healthy. Just making some porridge with some, I'm going to add some jam and some kiwi fruit. What was I saying? Yeah, getting rid of thing that's gone off. Yeah, I don't know if you'd be interested in a clean with me. We'll see. Maybe I'll put one together. Yeah, what are you up to? This is my porridge that I'm making. Just got some spices in there, nutmeg, cinnamon, and that's my kiwi. So that's my breakfast. I might cut the, I will cut it. Keep changing my mind if I'm going to cut it or not. My melon, honeydew melon. I should be using the wooden spoon, but I can't find the big one. And the little one, I used it a bit earlier. I haven't got any milk, so I'm just making the porridge with water. Milk as in oat or hazelnut or cashew nut. Here it is. It's gone past breakfast and it's not quite lunch, so whatever it's called, break lunch I'd call it. So I've got porridge oats, some muesli, kiwi and a dollop of jam. The jam is made by a friend from school. Thanks Sharon, the jam is delicious. It's summer fruit jams, beautiful. I think she's got raspberries and strawberries in there. Delicious.
It's so nice that I have a like-minded friend who can do the things that I like doing. Who doesn't make excuses about, oh, can't do that, oh, what's the weather like, oh, I'm not sure what I'm doing. It's fortunate that she can pick herself up and, right, let's go. Let's go. What? Yes, let's go. So that's really nice.
She's talking about me. We're off to Dobbs Way in, is it Hoddesdon? Hoddesdon. Yeah. Come with us today. Welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Joy, Silver Lady. This is my August. Oh, and a Duchess. This is my August vlog. Oh, there's a, oh, it's a swan. Two of them. Distance. No fishing. There's a sign saying no fishing. Hello, gorgeous. Hi. Hello, gorgeous. Okay, okay. Oh, cheers. 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 Yeah. tad too sweet for me, so when I make it again I'm going to add less sugar. And I also I'm going to put the recipe maybe down below in the comment section, because I changed it around and added a few more spice. Well, there isn't any spice in the recipe, but I added spice to the recipe, and I opted out of walnuts and I added almonds and coconut pieces instead. Yeah, maybe I need to do maybe I need to put the ingredients and then you'll see what I did. Okay. Nice. This has been so amazing. Brilliant. Amazing.